Hi guys, so let's come to discuss today's topic that how to export and how to import the particular class or file in the JavaScript. So basically to do that, okay, we have the class that is bottle, okay. So bottle contain one constructor and one method, okay, in it. What we want this class in this particular file, okay, new to. Okay, so basically to do that, we need to first export this particular file, okay, into this particular file. So basically, export this particular class, just do likewise, okay, use exports keyword, okay, then save it in module. Sorry, save it in module, okay. Then you can save this program. Then just try to create the object of that particular bottle file. Okay, object one equals to new bottle. Okay, okay. Here you automatically get this statement when you create an object of that particular file. So what it says, it is importing, okay, importing that particular class into this new to file, okay. So new 3 file is importing in new 2 file, okay. Now you can call the method, okay. Let's run this. Open the terminal, clear it. Okay, constructor is running, guys. So likewise, our class will run. Okay, to run the method you need make to use parenthesis. Okay, method is also running. Clear, guys? Thank you.